I don't usually do this unless I'm drunk or I'm high, but I'm both right now. I don't usually do this, I don't usually do this, I don't usually do this, I don't usually do this,
Yeah, I'm both.
What's up, Rebel Gang? It's Bonita Rebel. I'm back today here with another hair review, and this was a hard hair review. I'm gonna tell you guys why, but this hair is from VRBest. So before I get into it, make sure you guys like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you guys hit that like button, and make sure I'm still laughing at these. I'm getting my nails done tomorrow. But make sure you guys hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel and all that good stuff. And make sure you guys turn on that bell so you guys can see when I upload new things and stuff like that. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram. Okay, so this hair was complicated. This is from VRBest.com, and this is VRBest Hair, and this lace wig is a 12 inches, and I love this hair. I do love this hair to do styles in it. Each its own. I am just a very thick hair person, so you know I have a big head, so you know you can tell when when the hair is a little bit thinner for me. I love big packs, and that's just something that I do. But then there's some people that really love thin hair. I be seeing them, and they love thin hair. This hair was kind of difficult for me because the front it was a little bit more thinner in the front, and it was thicker in the back, and then it seemed more kinkier in the back, in the front, than it was in the back. So I decided to put this in a style. I thought it was cute. So you guys gonna see me. I washed this wig earlier. I did not bleach the knots or anything like that. I'm trying to get more creative with my videos because everybody does bleach knots and stuff like that, and it's just like there's so many reviews on that. I'm trying to see, like, you know, methods to not bleach your knots. But you guys, I love this hair. It is so silky and nice, and it like has like a yucky texture. So this fills and look like my real hair. But I mean, for the price of the wig and stuff like that, you can't complain. And it's 12 inches. You cannot complain. Like, look at this.
Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Haters won't bring me down. Never will they break me down. Never will I make a sound. Yes, motherfucker, wear the ground. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, because they know I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Oh yes, I'm blessed. I never stress because I'm blessed. I'm blessed. Haters won't bring me down. Never will they break me down. Never will I make a sound. Yes, motherfucker, wear the ground. Oh yes, I'm blessed. I lost myself. Insecurities turn to enemies. My enemies turn into security. I used to hate myself, but now I love myself. They hate me for my talent. I didn't even want my talent, but then I thought about it. I know I'm blessed, I'm blessed, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah. got the crown, oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Oh yes, I'm blessed. Yeah, yeah. Because they know I'm gonna hear what you want, but I don't gotta call off work. Bitch, I am the work. Yeah, go to work. Yeah, I guess that's what fuckers do. They hate on a motherfucking boss. They hate on a motherfucking boss. Yeah, I'm a motherfucking boss. I got lessons on lessons on lessons on lessons. Lessons on blessings on blessings on lessons. I ain't got to flex yet, cause I ain't rich yet. Got my own shit in my bathroom, yeah. I don't really care what they gotta say, yeah. Can't tell me nothing, don't downplay me, yeah. My love sounds for the haters. Yeah, I'm blessed. And these bitches lame. Don't need it on the next verse, nigga. Don't need it in for the kill, nigga. Pop pills and don't get, nigga. Fuck whoever don't like me, nigga. Saucin', saucin', saucin' on you. Yeah, I'm ballin', I'm ballin', I'm ballin' on you. Just made the score, your bitches is yours. Pull up in the Ford. Do your bitches want more? Yeah, yeah. Saucin', saucin', I'm saucin'.